Hi guys, this is my tool set for installing the Canyon Aeroad seat post clamp. So we have the clamp, we have a 15 centimeter section of straw, just a simple straw. It's about what, half a centimeter in diameter. String, and we have our Allen key. Now the idea is to take a section of string and feed it down into the straw to create a little loop which grabs onto the seat post clamp. But I can explain. It's difficult one-handed, but bear with me. Now you can see what I've done here. I've taken a section of string, doubled it, so it creates a little loop at the bottom, and I fed that string into the straw. So the idea is, if I can do this one-handed, is to put the seat post clamp, always an issue doing things single-handedly like this. So there we go. And then the mechanism is as follows. You pull on this like so, and as you can see, the idea is then, pardon the breakfast in the background, that you feed this down into the seat tube, and then with the Allen key, you insert the Allen key into the clamp hole, and then you can screw. Now I've already done this once. It works perfectly, so I was confident enough to take out the clamp and do it again. So let's give it a try. Okay, so yeah, funny old angle now. So here I have my Aeroad seat post, and here I have my little device. Apologies for the background, we're renovating the kitchen at the moment. So we have the string inside the straw, looped, let me try and get that focused a little bit better, there we go, looped around the seat post clamp. Great, and the idea is simply, as you can see here, we feed this into the seat tube until it comes in line with the hole. So I get my lovely little wife who's hoovering in the background. Anne-Sophie? Yeah. So I'm gonna get my wife to come in a second, but you see the idea here, that we get this in line with the hole. Okay, my lovely assistant. Okay, so make sure you get everything in line. So what we do, we take the Allen key, you put it there. And then what I do first is I simply get the Allen key into the hole of the seat post clamp. Whoop. Difficult one. There we go, that's in. And then what you do should be self-explanatory. You've got to reverse this now. Oh, I got that in reverse, but I didn't get it at the wrong angle there. You got to reverse, obviously, this. Now what you ideally want is you want an Allen key that fits quite snugly. So I'm reversing this up now. And there, I think we've got it. Keep reversing her up, and then all we do now is remove the straw, remove the thread, and if we see in the seat tube there, clamp in place. Thank you very much.